Hi everyone, this is a new pattern question on linear arrangement. This is the question what we are going to discuss in this video. Observe the given set, try to understand the information given, and then you have to answer the given 5 questions on this set. Pause the video here, try to solve those questions. Once you get the answer or once you get a doubt, get back to the video. This puzzle been explained in detail. Now let me explain you how to solve this set. I want you all to understand one thing, that in your exam, solving the given questions is important. So I want you to focus on solving the given questions rather than solving the given puzzle. In the given puzzle, you are given that there are 8 members A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, and they are sitting in a row facing towards north. So let us understand this. When you are working on a paper, the direction what you face is north, and you are given that each of them has got at least 8 chocolates. So you have to find their arrangement, and along with that you have to find the number of chocolates with the given persons. You are given that the total number of chocolates with them is less than 93. No two persons got the same number of chocolates. In addition to this, you are given some more conditions here. D is fifth to the right of the person who got the least number of chocolates. If you understand this, fifth to the right itself says that there should be exactly 4 members sitting between D and the person who got the least number of chocolates. And in the next condition, you are given that number of chocolates with one among them is twice a perfect square, and he is sitting second to the right of A, second to the right, which itself says that exactly one person should sit between these two. In the next condition, you are given that F is sitting exactly between C and E. So exactly between, so it may not be immediate next. It means that number of persons sitting between C and F is same as number of persons sitting between F and E. Next condition, G got 2 chocolates more than A and sitting to the immediate left of E. H got the highest number of chocolates and sitting 2 places away to the left of B. As we discussed earlier, 2 places away, which means that there should be exactly one person sitting between the given two. B got 4 chocolates less than D and 2 chocolates more than E. C got even number of chocolates, but he got 1 chocolate less than F. So this is the given information. Now let us see how to solve this set. Let me explain you this information first. You are given that there are 8 members. They are sitting in a row facing towards the north. Each of them has got at least 8 chocolates. So what will be the minimum number of chocolates with the given 8 members? If you look at it, as there are 8 members and each person has got at least 8 chocolates. So 8 times 64. So minimum number of chocolates are 64, and what will be the maximum? You are given that there are less than 93 chocolates. As it's less than 93, now the maximum possible number is 92. And next to this, you are given that each person has got at least 8 chocolates. Let us say, for instance, the first person has got 8 chocolates. So how many chocolates should the second person get? He should not get 8 again. So he has to get at least 9. And the third person, he cannot get 8, he cannot get 9. So it has to be 10. And the next person should get 11. And the next person should get 12. And the next person should get 13. And the next person should get 14. So 15 is the maximum number of chocolates one can get. And if you understand this, sum of all the given numbers 8 plus, 9 plus, 10 plus, 11 plus, 12 plus, 13 plus, 14 plus 15. Sum of all these things gives you 92, which itself says that this is the only possibility what we have. So minimum number of chocolates one can get are 8 and maximum number of chocolates one can get are 15. If you understand this, now as this is the given information and you are given that H has got the highest number of chocolates. You are given that H got the highest number of chocolates. From the given information, now I can solve one of the questions given. Now if you look at the given questions, let me go with the first one. How many chocolates did H get? We know that H has got the highest number of chocolates and the highest number is 15. Now I want you to understand this. Instead of solving the entire puzzle, as we got one of the answers here, I want you to answer this question and then move forward with the given puzzle. So as we are done with one of the questions by spending 40 to 45 seconds on this set. Now let us look at the next one. This is the given information. Now which conditions should we choose to find either the number of chocolates with them or the seating arrangement? Let me go with these conditions first. D is fifth to the right of the person who got the least number of chocolates. Number of chocolates with one among them is twice a perfect square and he is sitting second to the right of A. Let me write the given information this way. D is fifth to the right of the person who got the least number of chocolates. A number of chocolates with one among them is twice a perfect square and he is sitting second to the right of A. If you observe these two things, the least number of chocolates is 8 and next to this, number of chocolates with one among them is twice a perfect square. So perfect square multiplied by 2. Our result should be an even number. How many even numbers that you are given? 8, 10, 12, 14. Twice a perfect square. So if you understand this, half of this number should be a perfect square. How many such numbers exist? Only one. 8 by 2 is 4. 10 by 2 is not a perfect square. 12 by 2 is not a perfect square. Even 14 by 2 is not a perfect square. So the given information is about the person who has got 8 chocolates. Now, as D is fifth to the right of the person who got the least number of chocolates, fifth to the right, it means that there should be exactly 4 members sitting between D and the person who has got the least number of chocolates. So let us assume that it's you and assume that you are facing north. So 5 places away to the right or fifth to the right in any of these two instances, either 5 places away to the right or fifth to the right, there should be exactly 4 places left between the given two. So as this is 8, let me leave 4 places now. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this person should be D. And from the next condition given, number of chocolates with one among them is twice a perfect square and he is sitting second to the right of A. Let us say for instance, it's A. Second to the right. As A is facing towards north, this will be the right of A. Second to the right itself says that there should be exactly one person sitting between A and the person who has got 8 chocolates. And you are given that there are 8 members in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. In this table, let me write their names here and let me write number of chocolates with them in this row. Now, as there are 8 members and if you observe this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I can definitely say that the first person should be A, and then he is the person who has got 8 chocolates, and the last person should be D. Now let us go with some other information. In addition to this, now let me go with this condition. B got 4 chocolates less than D and 2 chocolates more than E. So if you understand this, let me write it this way. B got 4 chocolates less than D and 2 chocolates more than E. In how many possible ways the arrangement can be done? As difference between B and D should be 4. Let it be one of the possibilities. If D gets 15, B has to get 11 and E should get 9, as he has got 2 chocolates less than B. And let me explain you this one. B got 4 chocolates less than D, and as the given word is and, the information which follows this word should be related to the first person given in the statement. So B got 4 chocolates less than D, and you have to understand this as B got 2 chocolates more than E. So the arrangement can be done in 2 different ways. In one of the instances, D should get 15, and in the other, D has to get 14. So these are the 2 possibilities what we have. And we know that from one of the conditions given, H got the highest number of chocolates and sitting 2 places away to the left of B. As H has got the highest number of chocolates, D should not get 15 again. So this is the only possibility what we are left with. H has got 15, E has got 8, and B has got 10, D has got 14. I know that it's 14 now, and I know that it's E. So E got 8, D got 14. Let me write it here. Now, let us pick another condition. C got even number of chocolates, but he got 1 chocolate less than F. So when you try to place those 2 numbers here, C got even number of chocolates, but he got 1 chocolate less than F. So let it be C. C got even number of chocolates. This is the only place what we are left with to place C. The reason, the remaining even numbers been occupied. So this is the only place what we are left with. So definitely C has to get 12 chocolates. And we know that C got 1 chocolate less than F. So as C has got 12, F should get 13. Now let us pick another condition. G got 2 chocolates more than A. As we are trying to find the number of chocolates with them, let me add this condition to the previous information. As D has got 2 chocolates more than A. As these are the only 2 places what we are left with. Between these two, G should get 2 chocolates more than A. So where should we place A and where should we place G? Or how many chocolates does A get and how many chocolates does G get? Now A should get 9 chocolates and G has to get 11 chocolates. So this is the arrangement from the given information. Now I am not done with their sitting arrangement, but we have got the number of chocolates with each and every person given. So what is the reason that we focused more on finding the number of chocolates with them? Let me explain you the reason. The reason we focused more on finding the number of chocolates is among the given 5 questions, you are given 4 questions based on the number of chocolates with them, among which we are done with the first question earlier. If you look at the second question, in order to solve this question, you should get to know the number of chocolates with them, and along with that, you should know their sitting arrangement even. If you look at the fourth question, what is the sum of the number of chocolates with D and F? In order to answer this question, one should get to know the number of chocolates with D and number of chocolates with F even. If you look at the fifth question, who among the following got less chocolates than B? In order to solve any of these 3 questions, one should find the number of chocolates with each and every person among the given 8. Now, let me choose one of the questions. I have chosen question number 2. What is the difference between the number of chocolates with the persons who are sitting at the ends? I know that A is sitting at the extreme left and D is sitting at the extreme right. I know that A has got 9 chocolates and I know that D has got 14 chocolates. So difference between these two will be 5. So our answer will be option E. Now let me go with the fourth question. What is the sum of the number of chocolates with D and F? We know that D has got 14 and we know that F has got 13. Sum of these two gives your answer and it's option B, 27. Now let me go with another question. Question number 5. Who among the following got less chocolates than B? The given options are C, D, F, A, G. And you have sufficient information here. We know that B has got 10. And your answer will be the person who got less chocolates than B. So my answer will be exactly one between these two. And E, which is not given in your options. So your answer will be A. And it's option D. Now we are left with the last question. You can only answer that question only when you are done with the remaining puzzle. Now we have to solve the remaining puzzle in order to answer the last question. If you understand this, in your exam, you will find two options now. Either you have to leave this set here or you have to solve the remaining set to answer that particular question. The best case scenario, if you find another set which can be solved in less than 3 minutes, we have to go with that set. If not, we have to solve this one in order to answer the given question. That depends upon your comfort. As we are free enough, let us discuss the last question even. To answer the last question, this is the information which is required. F is sitting exactly between C and E. G got 2 chocolates more than A and sitting to the immediate left of E. H got the highest number of chocolates and sitting 2 places away to the left of B. Let me pick those 3 conditions. Let me write it here. And now, let us understand this. G got 2 chocolates more than A but sitting to the immediate left of E. So, as this is E, now G should sit to the immediate left of E and G has got 11 chocolates. Which condition should we choose now? H got the highest number of chocolates and sitting 2 places away to the left of B. You will observe 2 different possibilities now. As H got the highest number of chocolates and sitting 2 places away to the left of B. 2 places away to the left of B, it means that there should be exactly one person sitting between H and B. So the arrangement can be done either this way or this way. Among the remaining 4 places, I can place H and B here or I can place H and B here. Now the last condition, what we are left with? F is sitting exactly between C and E. It means that number of persons sitting between F and C should be the same as number of persons sitting between F and E. As this is E, where should we place F and C now? Among these 2 places. But if you understand this, when you place C and F here, F will not sit exactly between C and E. That violates this condition, which itself says that this possibility doesn't fit. So this is the only thing what we are left with, among which this person should be F and this person should be C. I am least bothered about number of chocolates with these 4 members, as we are done with the questions based on this. Now let us answer the last question. So this is the thing what we are left with. How many persons are sitting between C and G? Your answer will be 4. So we are done with a new pattern puzzle. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.